train head. What up, mother? So we came to Walmart and we got Mandy some gloves. Now we're looking for snacks for tonight. So it looks like they were out of trail mix, but Aubrey, look. We're just getting Cheez-Its because that's all they have here. And I got Arctic Vibe.
Is that a new one?
No, but it's really good. It's a newisher one.
Newisher one? Of what?
A newisher.
Never. A newisher one. Never.
Staring at the blank page before you. Open up the dirty window. Let the sun illuminate the words that you cannot find. Reaching for something in the distance. So close you can almost taste it. Release your inhibitions. Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Treat yourself in words unspoken. Live your life with arms wide open. Today is
My goggles already on because the wind. Snow is in my eyes.
This weather's crazy. I feel like it will be fun.
I think so too.
All of us wearing our slippers. God damn it. Are you kidding?
Look on it. My arms.
It's a freaking storm.
We're gonna be on that ski lift going like this.
Okay, I'm not gonna wear my Apple Watch.
What do you call it? Bring up your
No, it looks like there's no cars at all.
and you click on it.
I know, it's like,
and it
we're
says
gonna be
activate,
like all
and then you
alone up
put
there on the
in The
mountain.
pin number or the
Yeah.
pass here that says on their thing.
This is the get up. My face looks so like
Same. So
I look
look what I
like
put on my
Sam.
story. What my caption was. Okay, put your phone down, Brittany, for 1 second.
we on our way to go snowboarding. How big is this?
22. I never noticed that.
Yeah.
I need it to at least go down here. Yeah. We're gonna get a new one.
Breakfast because I feel faint before I go snowboard.
I couldn't see. I asked the guys on the lift, I was like, do you guys see any like trailing spots to go on? And they're like, just follow this. And I'm like, alright, guess I'm doing that. The bottom. I just thought that to myself. I was like, I'm just making my way to the bottom so they don't worry about me.
Yeah.
That's all you can do.
Oh, there she is. Other side.
Other side? You can't see anything, girl. But if we go to chair 5, we'll be fine. So this is a better place.
Bro.
Are you excited? No, once we go, you'll be fine on chair 5, I promise. And there's a lot of people up there, so you can just follow them. But nobody's at the top of the mountain, so it's scary.
Let's go.
It's like
There's Mom and Dad.
Go, Mom and Dad! Guys, we're out here in the blizzard.
We were gonna go another time, but it's so bad you can't see anything. What's happening, Brittany? We're cutting it short. For what?
We're cutting it short, bitch.
We're gonna stay here, but
literally, it's a blizzard.
if we stay here, our cars are going to be stuck in the snow.
We're stuck.
Are you videoing this?
Yes.
It's not funny.
Let's get this. Come on, ready, set. Ooh, the snow is in my eyes.
Oh my god.
You guys need to help.
Let's go there.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, we got the whole crew coming to help us. Thank you. Dude, we're stuck, and all these boys are helping.
All right, guys, ready? 1, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Thanks a lot,
Thank
guys.
you.
You're awesome, man.
Thank you.
Travel safe. Well, if it's like that right now,
Hey, bro.
it's going to be 10 times worse in the morning.
Yeah. I'll close it.
We won't have 8 guys to help us.
Nope.
Right.
Yeah, honestly, we
Let's
left
go
at
home.
a good time because we got those people to help us.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we can just stay on this flat stuff.
Yeah,
we'll be
but maybe
okay.
we're-
It's going to
just
park
stay
right
here.
here in front of the thing.
We gotta go quick.
I just tried to help push the car over because it's stuck. And I fell over in a pile of snow. And now my feet are freezing too. Aubrey, what are your predictions?
We're gonna get out, obviously.
You should have seen her face. Mandy, what are your predictions?
Hey, one more time.
out.
For milk.
Come on, family power.
We are realizing that humanity still exists after being stuck in the snow 4 times, because literally everyone's helping us and everyone's just so sweet. Literally, humans are so cute when they want to be, you know? Aubrey, I went to turn it to you, and it was the fucking couch. The couch? Whoa, you're so cute. Okay, so here's my thing. I want to look like Aubrey, you know?
I have a migraine from pushing the freaking truck, dude.
Aubrey, I really wish someone got a video because when we were first pushing it, I literally pushed and I fell straight on my face. And then my hands were numb because I wasn't wearing gloves. But I kid you not, flat on the face. We made it back to St. Jeezy and we can see the road. Yay! You guys won't believe this, but I was checking through my pockets to see if I forgot anything. I had beef jerky in my pocket. And yes, I am eating it. Yummy. Not that yummy. We are back home. I'm gonna stretch, hot tub, shower. In that order. Our 3-day trip turned into a 6-hour trip because it was blizzarding, and if we stayed overnight, our cars would have been buried by snow. So we decided to come home because we can hot tub here, we can party, play games, make some fun drinks, have a good time. You know the stuff.
Yellow light, so baby close your eyes. The way you're looking at me, you got me mesmerized. Something I can't escape, feel like I'm lost in space. You got that good loving, girl, if you leave me, I might throw my heart away.
Two twos.
2-2, 22.
Gobi!
130.
2 4s.
2 5s.
I'm going to win.
Wait!
3-6.
6 7s. That's so good.
Okay, I'm missing 3. So if somebody want to give me 3?
This is part of the channel where I go in the hot tub.
So, yeah, you must be like really well off.
Yeah, they are.
Prepared. We're getting a bigger tub. Right.
Literally.
So we are home now, obviously. We're watching our show. And we're gonna go to bed. So I hope you guys have a great night. Aubrey, look at my face. Dude, I'd be scared of my YouTube channel if I was a stranger.